have a 2016 or a newer Mazda 6 2.5i Sport and you'd like to add navigation to your nice factory screen that didn't come with it from the factory, I'm going to show you how to add that. Let's take a look. Alright, so if you drive a 2016 Mazda 6 2.5i Sport and you want to upgrade the navigation in the vehicle and your vehicle is not equipped with it, so you hit the home button and you try to go to navigation, it's going to tell you that this model is not equipped with nav. So to upgrade that, all you got to do is put this little SD card in. So let's open that up and find the spot it goes, which is right in here in the center console. That's your spot for your SD card. So let's slip it in and see if it actually works. So that's what the card looks like there. And we'll stick it in down here. And I got this card on eBay for like, I think $35 including shipping. And the dealerships want like 300 bucks. And here's a look at the model number of the card that I bought. I'll put a link in the description down below. And I'm not sure if this is different than the older Mazdas that have the screen that's mounted in the dash. I think that one you have to plug a computer in and kind of load it up. But there we go. If anybody's considering doing the navigation, you can see it loads right up, and for 35 bucks I can have navigation in my 2.5i with just the cloth seats and not all the fancy bells and whistles. So there you go, guys.
Turn left onto 197th Avenue East.
And it even shows,
arrive at your destination on the left.
It even shows the speed limit there.
Take the next left
25 miles an hour, which is kind of cool.
197th Avenue East.
Find gas stations nearby.
Fuel station. Say the desired line number. You can also say, try again.
Alright, so the voice commands and everything work just like it's supposed to, so that's pretty damn exciting.
This command is available only when a USB device containing audio files is inserted.
You can change the display on this between 2D and 3D, which is kind of cool. Well, I'm going to cut the video here, guys. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you'd like to see more content. I'll have more videos on improvements and things I do to help you with the Mazda 6. See you again. Thanks. Bye.